Hi friend, my name is Sarah Chancey and I'm the founder and creative director behind Chancey Charm. We're a luxury wedding planning and design firm with planners in 13 cities serving clients here in the United States and abroad. A question I get a lot from people is, why do you have so many locations and so many planners? Well, I'm excited to share my heart behind that. You see, a couple of years ago, my husband and I went to the Dominican Republic on vacation, and I did something super crazy. I let myself stop and really consider what I wanted to do with my life. What did I feel called to? And I realized that I felt called to help women have a creative career that they love with freedom and flexibility to focus on their faith and their family. I mixed that mission statement with my somewhat quick success in the Atlanta wedding market and decided that God had really given me a formula or wisdom to help women launch a wedding planning business. And so I started launching wedding planning locations across the country with really talented, wonderful planners. It's been a crazy journey, definitely has had its ups and downs. It has not been easy. I don't think I knew as much as I thought I did, but it's been amazing to see it grow and take off and be a blessing to so many women and really see that mission statement come to life. I love leading this team. In the process of launching so many locations and onboarding so many planners, I also brought on a creative support team to help support these planners and their clients and this brand. So fast forward to 2017, and my dad actually lost his battle with leukemia. And guys, my world absolutely fell apart. I was super lost feeling and really out of it for a long time. But the most beautiful thing happened within Chancey Charm, and my team carried itself to our most successful year yet. It's mind-blowing for me to think about. And I'm sure you're wondering how they did that. It's because they really, truly embody the we over me mentality that's become an absolute cornerstone for the success of Chancey Charm. A win for any of our planners or support team members is a win for the entire team, because we're building something bigger than ourselves, something that supports all of our dreams. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in learning about, I actually am hosting a free workshop on demand, 30 minutes of your time, where I will share 3 foundational steps to help you grow a healthy team that will support you and your business throughout life. I so hope you'll join me.